Art is more than an aesthetic pursuit, it is a gateway to holistic development. In this essay, I will reflect on my journey through arts education, exploring how learning in and through the arts connect to educational theories and shapes classroom practice. Throughout this unit, I engaged with various forms of arts: visual arts, media arts, music, drama, and dance. I experienced first and how each of these arts form plays a critical role in fostering student engagement, creativity, and critical thinking. In the visual arts, for example, we explored line, shape, and proportion, all of which underpin broader learning theories like Vygotsky's zone of proximal development, emphasizing that learning occurs through interaction and collaboration. Learning in the arts align with several established educational theories. The constructivist approach, championed by Piaget, encourages active participation in the learning process, much like arts education encourages creativity and exploration. In my media arts experience, where I worked on stop motion animation, I developed problem solving and critical thinking skills. Constructivism was evident as I collaborated with peers to create visual narratives, enhancing our understanding through hands on experiences. My journey through arts education has deepened my understanding of how arts can integrating into teaching. The drama activities, for example, where we analyzed body language and facial expressions, allowed me to see how emotional intelligence is cultivated through performance. As Gardner's multiple intelligence theory suggests, arts education nurtures not only linguistic and logical skills but also interpersonal kinesthetic and spatial intelligences. As a further educator, I plan to integrate arts into my classroom practice. The inquiry based learning strategies I have learned allow students to explore, experiment, and engage deeply with the content. For instance, when teaching science, I can incorporate visual arts by having students create models or drawing planets to understand the solar system, or use music to help them memorize the order of the planets. This aligns with Dewey's experimental learning theory, which emphasizes learning through doing and reflection. Arts education has a profound impact on students' development, enhancing not just their creativity but also their cognitive, emotional, and social growth. By integrating arts into classroom practice, I will encourage students to think critically, collaborate, and express.